Hey, Chris from Codify Academy here. In this video, I'm going to show you another way that we can add fonts through a site called dafont.com. So again, we are going to make a copy of our template, just like we did for Google Fonts, and we're going to rename it to Dafont. And I'm going to open it up again in Atom. You might still have yours open. Get our files set up here. And we'll make sure that it's looking okay. So now we can go search for Dafont, and we can see it's dafont.com, dafont.com. They have a whole list of font types here you can click on, or you can just scroll down and find one that you like. And on the right here, you'll see download. So we'll have to unzip this, and then we'll move this file into our project folder. Now we already have a fonts folder, so we can move it into there. But if we didn't, we should probably create one for it. Okay, so now that we've downloaded a font, we have to include that font into our web page. It's not naturally going to include it, just like CSS. Right, so we'll actually go search for fonts in W3 Schools. Here we have this font face rule, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this in our main.css. And I'm going to update some of this information, change the name of the font family. Oh, and I need to update this file name because there's a space. I don't want to have to deal with that. We'll just rename it real quick. And then we can update our file path. So we have to go out of our CSS file with the ... into a fonts folder, and then find our file. And once we have that, we can apply it to a selector. So again, I'm going to add it to our body tag just to test it out. And we just use the name that we applied at the font face rule. And we'll follow it up with a fallback just in case. And we can see that it's working. And if we inspect on the H1, we can see that the font is being applied. So mess around with Google Fonts and Dafont for a little bit. Make sure you understand how it works.